Hi, I'm Mary from Neara. In this short video, I'll show you how Neara's physics-enabled digital twin gives you real-time spatial intelligence during flood events, so you can make confident switching and restoration decisions before, during, and after the water hits. If your network operates in a flood-prone area, you know how quickly assets become inaccessible and how difficult it is to safely switch or thoroughly inspect those assets once water levels rise. Neara helps you stay ahead of that. Let's take a look at Neara's flood simulation module. Here, we're showing water to asset clearance, which calculates span-by-span clearance based on water depth using actual LiDAR, terrain, and asset geometry. You'll see clearances update automatically as the water rises. Once the span clearance drops below a set threshold, you'll notice that it changes color. For example, when it drops below the high-risk threshold, it will be highlighted in red. This allows you to identify which parts of the network become unsafe and plan switching operations before they're cut off. You can step through the simulation manually or bring in forecasted flood data from public sources. You can then model the expected impact over time and use that to make more proactive, more accurate decisions ahead of a storm. As the water recedes, Neara will update clearances again, helping you determine which spans can be safely re-energized and when. You can also filter the network to highlight any asset or building submerged beyond any given threshold. This gives you a focused inspection list so you only send crews to the locations that truly need attention. In one case, a utility team used this exact workflow to simulate rising floodwaters and measure clearance risks at the individual span level as the flood was happening. Within 48 hours, they had a working model that helped emergency response teams isolate power supply ahead of being inundated. And when the waters receded, the same model helped eliminate over 300 hours of manual inspection time, getting power back online safely and quickly. This kind of visibility across planning, operations, and recovery is what Neara makes possible. Thanks for watching.